It starts with a tiny pinprick on your forearm. In a comic book, a radioactive spider bite gives you superpowers. In real life, it is a dual attack of potent neurotoxin and concentrated ionizing radiation entering your bloodstream at the exact same second. Within 30 seconds, the spider's venom begins breaking down your localized skin tissue. But the real horror is the radiation. Alpha and beta particles flood your capillaries, instantly tearing through the molecular bonds of your cellular DNA. By minute 2, your body detects microscopic cellular destruction happening at a rate of millions of cells per second. Your immune system panics. High fever hits immediately, pushing your core temperature past 102 degrees as your body desperately tries to cook out the invading threat. Sweat pours down your forehead and neck. Your heart rate surges past 150 beats per minute, accidentally pumping the radioactive venom deeper into your vital organs with every erratic thud. Hour 1. The radiation sickness hits its acute phase. The cells lining your digestive tract and stomach are the first to die off, triggering violent nausea and agonizing internal abdominal cramps. Glowing green and red inflammation spreads along your lymphatic system. Your veins swell, turning dark and visible underneath your skin as your capillary walls begin to leak fluid into surrounding tissue. Your central nervous system begins misfiring. Because the neurotoxin targets your sodium channels, severe muscle spasms ripple across your arms, back, and legs. You aren't developing super strength. Your muscles are experiencing uncontrolled, painful tetanic contractions that threaten to tear your tendons off the bone. Your vision blurs as radiation damages the delicate blood vessels in your retinas, leaving you trapped in a dizzying haze of severe light sensitivity and pounding migraines. Hour 4. The deep radiation reaches your bone marrow, the factory where your body creates white blood cells, red blood cells, and platelets. The radiation completely destroys the marrow stem cells. Your body instantly loses its ability to produce new blood cells. As your remaining white blood cell count plummets toward absolute zero, your body loses its immune defense entirely. Microscopic internal bleeding begins under your skin and inside your lungs. Every breath feels heavy, raspy, and metallic. Extreme fatigue sets in as your red blood cell count drops, starving your heart and brain of basic oxygen transport. Your nervous system reaches a point of total sensory overload. Hallucinations set in from a combination of high fever, toxic shock, and radiation-induced brain swelling. You lay paralyzed on the floor, experiencing intense tremors while watching the lab ceiling warp and distort around you. Hour 6, multi-system organ failure begins. Your kidneys, overwhelmed by the sheer volume of dead cellular debris flooding your blood, completely shut down. Your liver fails next, causing severe toxic jaundice as blood pressure plummets to dangerous lows. Your heart, forced to pump thick, toxic, oxygen-deprived blood for hours, experiences severe cardiac arrhythmia. Without high-level ICU treatment, blood transfusions, and radiation chelation therapy within the first 3 hours, a real-world radioactive spider bite doesn't turn you into a superhero crawling on walls. It triggers acute radiation syndrome that shuts down the human body in under 8 hours. Superhero origins sound incredible on screen, but real-world biology is brutally unforgiving. Which famous pop culture origin story or superpower mutation should we test next? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button, and subscribe so you don't miss the next experiment.